Our current economic model is linear. We take resources from the earth, make products, and then dispose of them after use. This take-make-waste cycle is unsustainable. It depletes finite resources, generates pollution, and contributes to climate change. The linear economy is based on the assumption of unlimited resources and waste absorption capacity, which is simply not true. The consequences of this approach are becoming increasingly apparent. We face resource scarcity, overflowing landfills, and environmental degradation. The linear model is no longer serving us well. It is time for a fundamental shift in how we design, produce, and consume goods and services. A circular economy is a regenerative system where resources are used for as long as possible. The goal is to eliminate waste and pollution, keep products and materials in use, and regenerate natural systems. Imagine a world where products are designed to be durable, easily repaired, and eventually disassembled for material recovery. In a circular economy, waste is not seen as an endpoint but as a valuable resource. Materials are continuously cycled back into the system, reducing the need for virgin resource extraction. This closed-loop approach minimizes environmental impact and conserves precious resources for future generations. The circular economy is not just an environmental solution. It is an economic opportunity. By embracing circularity, businesses can unlock new avenues for innovation, resource efficiency, and job creation. The transition to a circular economy requires a collective effort from governments, businesses, and individuals alike. The circular economy is built on three key principles: design out waste and pollution, keep products and materials in use, and regenerate natural systems. These principles work together to create a closed-loop system that minimizes waste and maximizes resource utilization. The first principle, design out waste and pollution, focuses on creating products and processes that are inherently waste-free. This involves using non-toxic materials, designing for disassembly and recyclability, and implementing industrial symbiosis, where the waste of one industry becomes the input for another. The second principle, keep products and materials in use, aims to extend the lifespan of products and materials through reuse, repair, remanufacturing, and sharing platforms. By keeping products in circulation for longer, we can reduce the demand for new products and the associated environmental impacts. The third principle, regenerate natural systems, emphasizes the importance of restoring and regenerating natural capital. This includes using renewable energy, promoting sustainable agriculture practices, and protecting biodiversity. By working in harmony with nature, we can create a truly sustainable future. Section 4. Benefits of a circular economy. Good for the planet, good for us. Transitioning to a circular economy offers numerous benefits for both the environment and society. By reducing our reliance on finite resources and minimizing waste, we can alleviate pressure on ecosystems and mitigate climate change. The circular economy promotes resource efficiency, reduces pollution, and fosters innovation. One of the key benefits is resource security. By keeping materials in use for longer, we can reduce our dependence on virgin resources, many of which are becoming increasingly scarce. This is particularly important for critical materials used in electronics, clean energy technologies, and other essential industries. Furthermore, a circular economy can stimulate economic growth and create new job opportunities. By embracing circular business models, companies can tap into new markets, reduce production costs, and enhance their competitiveness. The transition to a circular economy will require skilled workers in areas such as design, engineering, repair, and recycling. Moreover, a circular economy can improve our quality of life. By reducing pollution and promoting sustainable consumption patterns, we can create healthier and more livable cities. Access to durable, repairable, and affordable products can also enhance social equity and improve overall well-being. Section 5. Building a circular future, steps for everyone. Achieving a circular economy requires a collaborative effort from all sectors of society. Governments, businesses, and individuals each have a crucial role to play in driving this transition. By working together, we can create a future where economic prosperity and environmental sustainability go hand in hand. Governments can set the stage for a circular economy by implementing supportive policies and regulations. This includes promoting eco-design principles, encouraging circular procurement practices, and investing in recycling and waste management infrastructure. Businesses can embrace circularity by adopting circular business models, such as product as a service, sharing platforms, and extended producer responsibility schemes. By redesigning products, processes, and supply chains, companies can unlock new opportunities for innovation, resource efficiency, and customer engagement. Individuals can contribute to the circular economy by making conscious consumption choices. This includes buying durable and repairable products, supporting local businesses with circular practices, and properly recycling and disposing of waste. By embracing a more mindful approach to consumption, we can all play our part in building a more sustainable future. Section 6. A call to action. Embracing the circular economy. The transition to a circular economy is not a distant dream, it is a necessary and achievable goal. By embracing the principles of circularity, we can create a future where economic prosperity is decoupled from resource depletion and environmental degradation. The time for action is now. Governments, businesses, and individuals must work together to accelerate the transition to a circular economy. By embracing innovation, collaboration, and a shared vision for a sustainable future, we can create a world where resources are used responsibly, waste is minimized, and natural systems are regenerated. Let us embrace the circular economy as a pathway to a more prosperous, equitable, and sustainable future for all. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let us choose wisely and build a circular economy that works for both people and the planet.